have a Toshiba VHS CD combo, and when you turn it on, it's just flashing and it doesn't turn on, just the flashing light. So I'm gonna take this apart and we'll see if we can fix it. So here's with the back off. You can see that even when you're pushing in the VHS, it's not accepting it. It's sounding like it's a power issue. I think I'm gonna have to disconnect this main board here. Nothing seems hot, but yeah, it sounds like a power issue. Okay. We'll just unplug it here. This way.
Ooh, how do you do that? Can I put on one now?
No.
Okay.
This one has a little clip.
No. I do it. Oh, it's still in. Oh, it's not. Can I turn on school? Can I unscrew?
Yeah, you unscrew that one.
Drive.
Okay, unscrew this one right at the back. Sweet, you're going the wrong way.
Where did I put this one? In here. Yes, I put it in there. Ooh, what's that? What's this?
Not sure.
You don't know what it is? Oh, there's something underneath it.
Okay, I'm gonna try to turn on and disconnect one of these at a time. Let's get through the problem on the main board. Let's see if there's a short. This is the HDMI chip. Let's check with the capacitors. Now I'm getting a short on the main processor here on this. So when I connect here and here, it's interesting. So when I connect this ribbon cable here and then go across this capacitor, no, it's okay.
Zero, zero. Was it 0, 0?
That's okay. Alright, I'm gonna try to plug it in with CD. Alright, let you plug it in. I'll just try with these two ribbon cables connected with these off. Stop, don't touch.
Magnet.
I'll have to look online what's I bet the main logic board does the same thing.
What does that say? Toshiba.
So it has the same symptoms without the main board, so it could be a main board issue. Don't touch. Okay, let's take out the CD drive. Pull out that screw.
Where?
Put it in the tray.
Oh. Thank you. Whoa!
Alright, that's the CD drive
Is this
out.
light? This is light. How come this is light when it looks heavy?
I don't know. So here's the power supply board.
Wow.
Don't touch any of that.
That's cool. Oh, it's like a little glass jar. It's tiny. It's cute. Oh, there's like slides. See-through things. Look.
I'm just checking for shorts on any of these components here.
Can I bend that forward?
Don't touch it.
Forward. That's a tiny. Tiny and cute. So
if I test the voltage here, it actually has the voltage here. See, we're getting 5 volts. And it says 5 volts down here. 12 volts, 12 volts. And you can test all these. 5 volts is good. I do see one of the caps right here. It is bulging. I'm going to replace that just in case something's up with that. And then we'll see if we can get the voltage on here. So let me take this power supply board out. I've unplugged it. And I'm just going to replace that one capacitor because it is bulging. So yeah, it's like the brains aren't working, or it's not getting voltage to the CPU, right? So here's the main power board. I don't see anything broken. On the chasers or whatnot, but this capacitor doesn't look too good. 4,700 microfarad capacitor. So I'm gonna see if I can get a replacement for this guy here. You can actually see where some of the goo has gone out the top. Yeah, so it's. You can see this capacitor right here. Usually you look at the top and if there's any bulging, you can see there's a little bulge on that, and then there's a little bit of goop. Sounds a little bit wrong. After replacing that cap, the lights are solid. I'm gonna reconnect everything now. The problem's this main board. What I'm thinking of doing is, could be this Panasonic CPU. So I'm gonna put it in the oven for just 10 minutes at 200 to see if I can reflow it. I still have the solid light, so I did heat up the board, did a reflow. Still doesn't accept it. It's getting power. I don't know, I'm gonna have to look online. So if anyone has a VHS player and you're having the same issue and you know how to fix it, if it's this main board or what have you, please drop a comment there. I did test out some of the components on here, and I am getting the voltage, and I tried to reflow, but still this board's not accepting the VHS or anything. But I did fix the standby light by replacing that capacitor, and so now I get the standby light and I get the solid ones before it was flashing. So yeah, these are nice older systems. I don't think they make them anymore, VHS players. Yeah, drop a comment, that'd be great.
Thanks for watching this video. Hope it helped out. If you enjoy electronics or want to learn about how to fix electronics, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.